Breaking news. While the UK government has tightened its immigration policy and stopped many care workers from getting new visas, Scotland has just announced something very revolutionary. Scotland has opened its doors to foreign workers affected by the UK's new immigration rules. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, who qualifies, how to apply, what the government is offering, how much it costs, and most importantly, the official links to start your process today. So if you've been affected by the new UK rules, or you've always dreamed of living and working in Scotland, this video is your roadmap. Stay tuned till the end because I'll show you exactly where to apply and what to avoid. You're welcome back, guys. My name is Esther, and on this channel I bring your way opportunities that can assist your relocation abroad. So if you're here for the first time, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you will not miss new updates from me. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for being there always. Please do well to like this video, share with your friends and family, drop your comments and questions. And without wasting time, let's dive right in. So in early 2025, the UK government made these changes to immigration. The health and care worker visa route was closed to new applicants applying from outside the UK. So that meant thousands of international care workers, especially from Africa and Asia, suddenly couldn't apply to work in the UK. So the minimum salary for skilled worker visa was also raised to £41,700, making it harder for many care homes to sponsor foreign workers. So, but guess what? Scotland didn't agree. Scotland's care homes are facing a major staffing shortage, and the government in Edinburgh decided to step in and create its own solution. So they launched a £500,000 support fund to help displaced international care workers already in the UK. And secondly, they announced that the Scottish government itself will now sponsor visas for foreign care workers. This is massive because it means for the first time, Scotland will act as an employer sponsor, independent of Westminster's restriction. So let's talk about what this actually means for you. According to the official statement on gov.scot, the Scottish government has decided to, number one, support migrant care workers who lost their visa sponsorship. Number two, offer new sponsorship opportunities to qualified foreign care workers. And number three, help matched displaced workers with registered Scottish care providers. So Minister John Swinney said, and I quote, "We will not turn our backs on the international workers who have been essential to our care system. Scotland will take responsibility and sponsor them directly." Did you hear that? That is a very strong statement, and it shows Scotland's commitment to supporting foreign workers who were affected by the UK immigration courts. So now, who exactly can apply for this new sponsorship program? These two categories of people can actually apply for this new sponsorship program. You can apply if you are a foreign care worker already in the UK whose employer lost their sponsorship license or who was displaced because of visa changes. Number two, you may also apply or qualify to apply if you are outside the UK and have professional care experience or qualifications, because Scotland still welcomes skilled workers through the skilled worker visa route for eligible employers. Number one, you must have a valid job offer from a Scottish care provider. You must be offered a qualifying role from a care worker or senior care worker. You must meet the English language requirement. and you must earn at least the minimum salary required under the visa route, which is the skilled worker visa route. So I'm going to attach all the links in the video description. Now let's move to how can you apply. Here is the step-by-step process on how you can move to Scotland under this new plan. The first step you need to take is to check if your occupation is eligible. Now, the website for you to visit, you're going to visit the official Scottish migration website to check if your occupation is eligible. So the website is migrationservice.scotland.org. I'm also going to try to drop it in the video description. So you are just going to search for skilled worker visa when you get to that website and check out the list. Now, the step 2 you need to take is to find a sponsoring employer. And how do you find a sponsoring employer? You can find registered sponsors in Scotland by checking this government list as well on gov.uk/find-license-sponsor. I'm also going to drop the link in the video description. And the third step you need to take is to prepare your documents. You will need passport, that's your international passport. You're going to need your certificate of sponsorship after you must have gotten your offer. You're going to also need proof of qualification or experience in care work, and you're going to be needing your English language proficiency proof and also proof of fund of around £1,270 in your account if you are not fully sponsored. If you're fully sponsored, you don't need to show this money. So step 4, you need to apply for the visa. Apply online through the official UK government portal, which is gov.uk/skilled-worker-visa/apply. I'm also going to drop it in the video description. So the last step is to wait for approval. You will usually get a decision within 3 weeks if applying from outside the UK. You're going to get your visa really fast within 3 weeks. Now, what does it cost to apply? The visa fee for a skilled worker visa ranges from £719 to £1,500 depending on your visa length. Secondly, you may also need to pay the immigration health surcharge, which is the IHS, about £1,035 per year, unless your employer covers it. If your employer covers it, then that's good for you. But remember, if Scotland sponsor your visa directly, some of these costs may be reduced or even fully covered. So what are the benefits of working in Scotland? Here is why so many people are excited about moving to Scotland under this plan. Number 1 is the free healthcare through the NHS. Number 2, affordable cost of living compared to London. Then thirdly, access to world-class education for your children and the welcoming multicultural communities, as well as possibility to settle permanently after 5 years. And most importantly, Scotland is known for its hospitality. Many foreign workers have shared how warmly they were welcomed into local communities. But please don't fall for scams. There are fake agents online promising guaranteed visas. Scotland only works through official registered sponsor and government portals, and that's the reason why I'll be dropping official links in the video description. So to wrap it all, while the rest of the UK is closing its doors, Scotland is opening them wider. If you're a care worker, nurse, or skilled professional dreaming of moving abroad, this might be your golden chance. Visit all the official links below this video. Do your research carefully and take your first step towards working and living in the beautiful Scotland. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel and visa updates, and share this with someone who has been affected by the UK's visa changes or someone who wants to move to Scotland for the first time. So I hope this video has helped you. So I wish you the best of luck. If you have any question, please drop it for me in the comment section. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.